Welcome to the future of work. Today, we're diving deep into automating your entire freelance career using advanced multi-agent AI orchestration workflows. Freelancing is evolving, and the key to staying ahead is leveraging AI. We're moving beyond simple tools to sophisticated, multi-agent systems that handle complex workflows. The goal is simple: maximize your productivity and income by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. The future of freelancing is about efficiency. But what exactly are multi-agent AI orchestration workflows? They involve a network of specialized AI programs, or quote, agents, working together autonomously to complete a complex task managed by a central orchestrator. Let's start with phase 1, lead generation and client acquisition. This is often the most time-consuming part of a freelance career. Imagine dedicated AI agents constantly scouring the web, social media, and job boards to find and qualify potential leads based on your specific criteria. They bring only the best prospects right to your dashboard. These agents can also automate personalized outreach. They draft tailored introduction emails and even full proposals, drawing on past successful documents and customizing them for each client's needs. Once you land a client, phase 2 kicks in: project management and execution. This is where the magic of orchestration truly shines. The orchestration agent takes the project brief, breaks it down into actionable tasks, and assigns those tasks to specialized execution agents. Think of it as having a digital project manager and team rolled into one. Need content written? A generative AI agent handles that. Need code developed? A coding agent gets to work. These specialized AIs deliver high-quality outputs efficiently. And to ensure excellence, a separate quality assurance agent automatically reviews all deliverables against project specifications and industry best practices before anything reaches the client. Finally, we tackle phase 3, financials and administration, the often dreaded paperwork and tracking. Automated agents handle invoicing the moment a project is complete, track payment status, and even send polite follow-up reminders, ensuring you get paid on time, every time. Other administrative agents can review client contracts for key clauses and risks, and manage your schedule, booking meetings and allocating time based on project demands. The advantages of implementing this full automation framework are tremendous. By letting AI handle the heavy lifting, you maximize efficiency, take on more clients, and significantly increase your income potential without burning out. However, remember, the most critical role is still yours, the human orchestrator. You set the strategy, define the quality, and nurture the high-level client relationship. Automating your freelance career is no longer science fiction. It's an actionable strategy available today. Start by identifying one area for automation, then gradually build out your multi-agent workflow. The tools and platforms are ready. All you need to do is start building. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, subscribe for more insights into the AI world, and share it with your network.